Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message in Adobe that pops up with a message saying, "This unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled." Now it's quick and straightforward. We just need to head over to our Start menu on our computer and search for Windows Defender. Then tap on Windows Defender Firewall, and from the left here, we need to come into Advanced Settings. Come inside of Inbound Rules from the left, and we need to create a new rule by coming over to the right hand and from the left select Program. Then we just need to find the application that we're trying to run. So it could be Photoshop or Illustrator or Premiere or After Effects. The steps are exactly the same. You need to locate the file, which is usually within the C drive inside of Program Files. Inside of the Adobe folder, and as you can see, here are all my Adobe folders. So let's say, for example, you were getting the error message on Illustrator. We can just double-click on that. Support Files. Click on, and Contents folder open, then Windows folder open, Illustrator.exe, open, and then press Next to add it to the list. Then here, you need to make sure you block the connection and press Next. Press Next again. Then we just need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it adobe.illu.ip. And then we can go ahead and press Finish. We can then come over to Outbound Rules. And we're going to do exactly the same again by selecting New Rule. Then come over to Program. And we need to select our application. Now, mine's saved in the C drive. And once again, we can select Illustrator and click on Next. And again, we're going to block the connection. Hit Next, and then give it a name. I'm going to call it adobe.illu.ob. Once more, and hit Finish. And then, you should see this in the Outbound Rules here. And then, just make sure we don't have any other references that already exist. But it looks fine to me. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that would have got rid of the error message for you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe.